Hi everyone, my name is Holly Rubinski. I live in Wilmington, Delaware. That is Delaware, the first state, and Wilmington it's about 20 minutes from Philadelphia. I currently work at a drop-in resource center. I am the director there. So we have a large clientele of homeless population. We help with resources, laundry, shower, food, just a place that people can come and feel safe. My personal experience is that I have personal for me, I have two children. I am currently engaged. I'm 39. I had a bachelor's degree from Wilmington University in a completely different field. I am currently coming to Widener because of I've been at my current job for about 3 years, and I love it, and I don't know how I didn't end up in this field before. I have a dog. Her name is Stormy. She's adorable. And I drive about 50 minutes to my job, which I strongly dislike. I've put way too many miles on my car this year. But I'm really excited about starting the Widener MSW program. I'm a little nervous because I don't like doing these videos, even though I can't actually see you right now. And I'm trying to figure out like time management with my job and my kids and life, but it's gonna all work out. And I look forward to working